Hello everyone, in this video we'll see Python control flow statements. There are a lot of control flow statements are there in Python, like if, for, then ranges, matches, there are a lot of there. We'll just only see the if statement in this video. In schools, in colleges, you would have learned in C program that for switching conditions we'll use if and else. Then if ladder, else if ladder, then nested if. There are a lot of if types are there, like if else and if ladder, else if ladder, and switch cases. There are a lot of conditional statements and control flow statements are there. So here in Python, if statements are very easy. You can just write if and else, and whatever you want to do, you can do it. Declaring one variable as x equals 10, and then you can write, this is the syntax, if here bracket or non-bracket, that's up to you, x greater than 0, and this semicolon is required, and you can print it's a positive number, or else print negative number. This is the syntax. So how you want to write is if, and then here expression, and then colon, and then you have to write like this. Here this x greater than 0 is a condition that literally stands for an expression, and then one colon, and this colon is important. If you delete this colon here, it will throw an error with pylons, and here also you must need one colon after the expression in order to identify as a control flow statements. Okay, let me just right click and run, then it's printed as positive number. Okay, next, how you can get a number from user, and you can write it as, you can declare it as a string, and then you can get the number from the user using input function, and inside of the input function you can enter the user friendly statements, enter a number, and you can parse it with the int function. You can pass this str inside of it. You can right click and run the code. Here I'm entering -1, it's a negative number, and one more time I'm running, 10 is a positive number. Here you no need to keep it in one variable and write, you can directly write here. If you delete this str also, here it is literally 0. In function by default it gives 0, because you can see this is 0. Just I'm running it. You can see this first condition fails and it comes to the negative number, but here I'm passing it as str, run code, 50, positive number. Here I'm cutting and pasting here. You can directly give this as an int function, right click, run code, 10, positive number. I'm running one more time, right click, run, -10, negative number. You can type any number as you want in this console and it will returns. this winds up the if conditions. You can give multiple if conditions. Here you can give if, and this one also if, and you can give your expression in this one. Here I am giving a print, it's a 0, and here in this condition I'm giving as x equal to 0, then it is 0. If x then 0, then it is a this condition. This is for an example. You don't need to convert literally in the mathematics world. Okay, now let me run this. 10 as positive number, 0 it's 0, and if in case here I'm giving equals, means this both should print. This is the if ladder condition. 0, you can see this positive and 0 is getting printed because it's fulfilling all the above two conditions, so that's the reason it's printing these two lines. So in case I just need only one to be executed, so I can give else. In other programming language you would have seen this if or else if else if like that, or if else will come, but in Python we don't have else if. It's literally called elif. Elif, you lose that s and e in this Python, so you can use this. And last also you can use elif, run code, and you can give 0, so only one number get printed. Here itself it satisfy the condition and come out of it. It will not go to this elif. Now I'm removing this one and running again. Now you can see this 0 got printed. CLS. And if you don't have any conditions, you can give it as else, but this colon is required. So how do I give is, first is if, then else if, and elif, and then else. So I'm running the code again. Positive number, this is for negative number. Here you can add n number of else if. But if you are writing without if and elif, it will throw an error, because there must be one if should be declared above this one. This is the same condition for else also. If you don't have a prior if, then this else will throw. So the structure must be maintained. There should be an if, and then only the elif is possible. There should be at least one if or elif, then only this else is possible. This case also is wrong. You must need an if, then only this is correct. Hope you understood this if and elif and if ladder and if else case. Okay, now we'll meet in the next video.